Welcome back. If you're a creator who loves filming on the go, appreciates compact gear, or simply wants a powerful pocket-sized camera, you'll definitely want to hear about this. Today, we're diving into the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including the latest leaks, rumored upgrades, and everything you should know. The previous model, the Osmo Pocket 3, made a huge splash when it launched. Thanks to its 1-inch sensor, bright rotating screen, excellent stabilization, and professional image quality in a palm-sized device, it quickly became a favorite among vloggers, travelers, and content creators who value both power and portability. Reviews were glowing, and for good reason. Now, excitement is building as rumors swirl about the Osmo Pocket 4. While there's no official release just yet, reliable sources suggest this next version might bring more than just incremental updates. We're talking higher frame rates, better sound quality, smarter subject tracking, and meaningful improvements to color performance. DJI could be setting a new bar for mobile video. Let's start with the sensor. It's likely DJI will stick with the impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor from the Pocket 3, a smart move, given how well it balances size and image quality. This sensor allows more light capture than smaller alternatives, delivering better low-light shots, natural background blur, and richer dynamic range. But the real magic may come from a new internal processor powering the camera. An upgraded chip might not sound flashy, but it's a big deal. Faster processing enables smoother image handling, cleaner footage, and unlocks computational photography tricks like enhanced HDR, greater dynamic range, and improved exposure control. In short, the same sensor, but smarter and faster results. One standout rumored upgrade is 10-bit color recording. For those unfamiliar, 10-bit color means capturing over 1 billion color variations, far surpassing the 16 million shades of standard 8-bit recording. This brings smoother transitions, fewer color banding issues, and greater flexibility when color grading in post-production. For creators chasing cinematic visuals or wanting editing control, this alone is a major plus. Even better, the Pocket 4 could support 10-bit recording in both flat D-Log-M and HDR modes, letting you work with high dynamic range or flatter profiles, depending on your style, all straight out of the camera. In terms of resolution and frame rates, the Pocket 3 already delivered 4000 video at 60 FPS and Full HD at 240 FPS for slow motion. But whispers suggest the Pocket 4 could double that, offering 4000 at 120 FPS. This would let creators capture high-quality slow motion without sacrificing clarity, making action shots and cinematic B-roll even more stunning without needing a larger rig. Another improvement may come in video bitrate. The Pocket 3 capped out around 130 amps, which is solid, but complex scenes like moving water, busy crowds, or fast motion benefit from even higher rates to avoid compression artifacts. If the Pocket 4 boosts this, expect sharper details and cleaner footage in visually dense environments. Stabilization is a signature feature of the Osmo Pocket series, thanks to its 3-axis gimbal delivering smooth footage even while walking. However, some users have noted slight vertical bounce, sometimes called Z-axis shake, when walking or going upstairs. Rumors suggest DJI is tackling this, either through improved mechanical stabilization or smarter software correction. The result? More natural movement, smoother pans, faster tracking, and overall more polished footage, especially for handheld creators and vloggers. Focusing may also get an upgrade. Reports hint that phase detection autofocus PDAF could make its way into the Pocket 4, a huge step up from the contrast detection system in previous models. PDAF would offer quicker focus locks and better tracking, especially in low-light or fast-moving scenes. Combine that with possible eye-tracking autofocus, and solo creators will benefit from a camera that keeps their face in focus even if they move around the frame. The AI features aren't stopping there. DJI's tracking system could get smarter overall, potentially handling pets, multiple people, or dynamic action scenes with improved accuracy. Audio may also see meaningful upgrades. While the Pocket 3 already had solid directional audio from its 3 built-in mics, the next model might bring more advanced noise reduction, spatial audio recording, and even features like audio zoom, where sound focuses more on your subject as you zoom in. For travel vloggers or documentary-style creators, this could reduce the need for external mics in many situations. As for the display, the Pocket 3 introduced a bright, rotating 2-inch touchscreen that performed well in various lighting conditions. The Pocket 4 is expected to keep this design, but may refine it with better touch responsiveness, brighter modes for outdoor shooting, or faster navigation through menus. Improvements here would boost ease of use, especially for solo shooters who need quick, one-handed control. In terms of design, the overall compact form factor seems set to continue. The Pocket 4 may weigh under 180 grams, staying lightweight and highly portable, with minor ergonomic tweaks for even better handling. Altogether, it's shaping up to be a powerful filmmaking tool that delivers cinematic results without the bulk of a traditional camera setup. That wraps it up. Which rumored upgrade excites you the most? Is it the 10-bit color, 4000 at 120 FPS, enhanced autofocus, or something else? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest cameras and gear designed to take your content to the next level.